Good evening, Dato Sri. Thank you very much for joining us. The first question, Dato Sri, with regard to halal industry. How does the Malacca state government give the support to the industry in order to boost the halal sector in Malacca?
Well, the state government of Malacca is always in full support of any halal programs or activities organized by any party. We are well in the know that the volume of halal demand, domestic and foreign demand, worth more than 38 billion ringgit Malaysia for a year. And we know that if we are in efforts to promote halal product or services in the states, we are not in the wrong direction. People are now start to demand halal product and services around the world. As far as the federal government is concerned, we have agencies like MARA who are assigned to look into any halal activities or program by the states in the country. We know that they are supposed to educate, to establish a system, as well as the enforcement, which involve the Jabatan Agama Islam, any states or the Islamic religious affair for particularly for the states of Malacca. Coming back to the state efforts to support the activities of halal in the state of Malacca particularly, we have allocated more than 134 acres of land, which now I was made to understand that the land has been utilized. More than 75% of the land has already been utilized for the halal program and activities around the area. And that is the major sign that the state is in support of all halal activities and programs. We have also Malacca Biotechnology Corporation, the MBC, who now its lab has been recognized by the Jabatan Kemajuan Islam, the Islamic Development Department from the federal government agencies to produce halal certification or to certify any product and service as halal or non-halal. And this laboratory is not tasked to just produce halal certification. They are also very knowledgeable. The staff has a skill and very knowledgeable not only to produce a halal certification, but they are also in the position to train, to coach as a consultant, as a service provider to any demand for their products to be halal certified. I'm also proud to claim that these agencies is one of a few, among others, agencies in the country that has been recognized by the Malaysian Development of Islamic Affairs as the laboratory that has the capacity to produce halal certification.
What is your hope and expectation with regard to the development of halal industry in Malacca?
Well, as we all know that the demand for halal products and services are expanding drastically, and definitely when there's a demand, there will have to be a supply. And to supply a halal products and services, definitely we need the process that has gone through a very long journey of inspection, authorization, to create a higher confidence level among the customers who expect the quality of the product of halal to be maintained consistently throughout the process. So I believe that for this opportunity given must be taken widely advantage by local entrepreneurs who can start to think global about the efforts to produce halal service and products. I believe halal is not just a process, it is also where it can become an opportunity for people to get to know better in a form of information, communication, technology development. For instance, like a customer who want to verify the halal or non-halal of a product or service, they can just snap a photo using their iPhone, and then from the photo they can submit through an application and get to know better and how the products and service being programmed or being delivered at the laboratory to create a higher confidence level of the customers. And this is so-called a quality product and services. I always believe establishment of the mechanism to ensure the consistency of the quality of the product and service delivered to the customers is over and above everything else, and halal can perform as we aspired.